Are you tired of your bank nickel-and-diming you with fees? Are you earning next to nothing on your savings? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Millions of people are looking for better banking options, and that's where online banks and fintech companies like SoFi are stepping in. Today, we're diving deep into SoFi's checking and savings accounts to see if they live up to the hype. We'll break down all the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks so you can decide if SoFi is the right fit for your financial needs. Let's be honest, traditional banks often feel outdated. They're bogged down by legacy systems, physical branches, and a long list of fees that can eat into your hard-earned money. That's why online banking has become so popular. These digital-first institutions often offer lower fees, higher interest rates, and a more streamlined user experience. SoFi is a prominent player in this space, offering a range of financial products, including checking and savings accounts. So, what exactly makes SoFi's checking and savings accounts stand out? Let's start with the checking account. One of the most attractive features is the absence of monthly maintenance fees. This is a huge plus compared to many traditional banks that charge you a fee just for having an account. No minimum balance requirements are another plus. You don't have to worry about maintaining a certain amount of money in your account to avoid penalties. This is great for those just starting out or managing fluctuating income. What about overdraft fees? Those can be a real pain. SoFi doesn't charge overdraft fees. Instead, they offer overdraft protection. This means that if you try to make a purchase that exceeds your available balance, SoFi will decline the transaction, preventing you from going into the negative and incurring a fee. This is a much more consumer-friendly approach. Now, let's talk about the savings account. This is where things get really interesting. SoFi offers a competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, on its savings accounts. This rate can be significantly higher than what you'd find at traditional brick-and-mortar banks. The APY is variable and can change based on market conditions, but SoFi generally strives to offer competitive rates. The higher APY means your money works harder for you, earning more interest over time. This is especially important in today's environment, where inflation can erode the value of your savings. Earning a higher interest rate can help you stay ahead of the curve and reach your financial goals faster. Another great feature of SoFi's savings account is the ability to set up automatic transfers. You can schedule regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account, making it easier to save consistently. This is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Even small, regular contributions can add up significantly thanks to the power of compounding interest. SoFi also offers what they call vaults. These are essentially sub-accounts within your savings account that you can use to earmark money for specific goals, like a down payment on a house, a vacation, or an emergency fund. This helps you stay organized and visualize your progress toward each goal. It's a great way to stay motivated and avoid dipping into your savings for unplanned expenses. One question that often comes up is about accessibility. Since SoFi is primarily an online bank, some people wonder about accessing their money. SoFi offers several ways to access your funds. You can use your SoFi debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. SoFi also partners with a large ATM network, giving you access to thousands of fee-free ATMs nationwide. You can also transfer money electronically to other bank accounts. This is a convenient way to pay bills or send money to friends and family. SoFi also offers mobile check deposit, allowing you to deposit checks using your smartphone. This eliminates the need to visit a physical branch or mail in a check. Security is another important consideration when choosing a bank. SoFi is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank. This gives you peace of mind knowing your money is safe and secure. SoFi also uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your account information and prevent unauthorized access. Now, let's address some potential drawbacks. While SoFi offers a lot of great features, it's important to be aware of a few things. Since SoFi is an online bank, there are no physical branches. This might be a drawback for some people who prefer in-person banking services. However, SoFi offers excellent customer support through phone, email, and chat. Another thing to consider is that SoFi's APY is variable and can change. While they strive to offer competitive rates, there is no guarantee that the rate will remain the same. It's important to stay updated on the current APY and compare it to other options. It's also worth noting that while SoFi doesn't charge overdraft fees, transactions will be declined if you don't have sufficient funds. This can be inconvenient in some situations. However, it's generally a better alternative to incurring hefty overdraft fees. So, who is SoFi's checking and savings account ideal for? SoFi is a great option for people who are comfortable with online banking and are looking for a low-fee, high-yield banking experience. It's particularly well suited for tech-savvy individuals, those who are just starting out with their finances, and anyone who wants to maximize their savings. It's important to do your own research and compare different banking options before making a decision. Consider your individual financial needs and priorities. If you value low fees, high interest rates, and a user-friendly online experience, SoFi is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.